Meantime, the star student of Malagos Bird School, an African gray parrot. Now, a little trivia muna tayo. They say that the African gray parrots are considered as the most intelligent among the parrot family. Did you know that? Alam niyo ba yan? That they even think like a 3-year-old child. Oh, interesting, right? Pero testingin nga natin kung gaano nga ba sila katalino, okay? Now, can you greet your fellow classmates here the standard way of greeting here in Malagos? So, what do we say? Matayaw. Narinig yun? Sabi ng ibon? Sabi niya matayaw because that's how we greet here. Mabuhay o matayaw. Pero hindi ka nagpakilala sa sarili mo. Kindly introduce first your name to your classmates. So, sige nga, what is your name? Mama. Narinig niyo ang pangalan niya? Can anyone tell me anong pangalan niya? Noah? No, it's not Noah. Lola? Hindi rin Lola. It's actually Donald.
Donald.
Pagpasensyahan niyo na medyo slang lang yung bird namin. Parang hindi niyo narinig ulitin nga natin. Sige nga, what's your name daw? Pero hindi nila marinig. Sige nga, ulitin mo nga. Diba? British accent nga lang, no? Donald. Okay? Well, anyway, I'm sure a lot of you right now maybe is wondering, how are birds able to talk? But I tell you, they don't. What they're doing is what we call mimicking. And this is very common because in the wild, they do this to create bond or socialize with the other birds. Okay? Now, at this point, kayo naman sana yung bumati kay Donald. Okay ba yun? Now, can everybody say, good morning, Donald?
Good morning, Donald.
Donald, sabi ng mga classmates mo, good morning daw. Anong dapat i-reply natin?
Si Tita yan.
What should be our response? Good morning. Ayun, diba? Kasi nga, as part of good manners, when someone says a good morning to us, it's best to reply a good morning as well. Okay, now Donald, your turn. Tanungin mo naman yung mga classmates mo kung kumusta kaya sila ngayong umagang ito. Sige nga. What do we tell them? Hello, how are you? Oh, sabi ni Donald, hello, how are you? Usually we answer, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Okay, now at this point, I'm curious to know, do we have birthday celebrants today? For the month of October, meron ba? I can see some hands. Si Baby, very good. Ayun, ang dami dito. Very good. How about on this side? Do we have? Wala masyado dito. Nandoon yung mga birthday celebrants. Ay, ito pala si ate. Very good. So we have a few birthday celebrants today. Oh, Donald, may mga nagse-celebrate ng birthday for this month. Anong sasabihin natin sa kanila? Sige nga. Ayun, very sabi nila happy birthday na po sa inyo and may you have many more birthdays and blessings to come. Oh, but wait, di pa tayo tapos. Kasi I have here another bird na si Nigel, a sulfur-crested cockatoo, kasi may gagawin din daw siya para sa ating mga birthday celebrants. So, anong gagawin ni Nigel? Sing and dance. Aba, sing and dance na yung gagawin. Matindi pala to. Sing ang music, please!
Ay, ang cute!
Pakitang gilasan nila. Oh, may pa-shoulder pag nalalaman kaya niyo yan? Di ba? Ay, napakakwela naman pala, napaka-talented. Sumayaw at kumanta pa ng, anong kinanta niya? Boom, tara-tara. Very good. A round of applause, please, for our lovely parrots.